Then you're going to interlace both of your hands behind your right knee and then let your left leg go long and keep it floating above the mat. So you're really going to want to press, hold there. So you can feel that in your hip flexor. This is one of my favorite ways to stretch the hip flexor. It's so calming. Low impact for the lower back. They all look so good. Nice deep breath in, Leo. And out. Nice. One more. Yeah, you can experiment with holding that knee a little bit out to the side as well. Try not to roll off your block. And keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Switch sides. Right knee in, left leg long. Yeah, hips nice and square. Beautiful.